Moving on to our last debate. The story of residents in a colony in Moradabad, Uttar Pradesh, putting mass migration graffiti on their walls and being targeted for their faith has been ignored by the entire national media. But tonight, Republic Bharat's investigative report should be an eye-opener. What's the reason for the exodus? What's the truth? Here's the report from the ground and then we debate.
This is Shiv Mandir colony in Moradabad, Uttar Pradesh. In this colony, outside the homes of 81 families, graffiti messages like these that read, "Ye ghar bikhaau hai, samohik palayan," which translates to, "This house is for sale, mass migration is underway." Messages like these are screaming a story that India is not talking about.
घरों में रहना मुश्किल हो गया है बच्चों का, घरों में छत पे नहीं जा सकते हैं, बाहर गली में नहीं खेल सकते हैं, इतनी परेशानी बढ़ती जा रही है.
The families here claim they are facing pressure. The unimaginable kind that is driving them away from this residential complex. In 21st century India, they say they are being hounded for their faith.
पलायन करेंगे, हम पलायन करेंगे, हम 81 के 81 यानी एक संग हम सब पलायन करेंगे.
जहाँ रहें सुरक्षित रहें, इन लोगों को
और हमारा रास्ता सेफ करा जाए.
Republic Bharat's Anju Nirvan, who's reporting from the society, spoke to at least 60 to 70 residents. It's not a complaint in isolation.
हम यही चाहते हैं कि जो हमारी कॉलोनी के जो 3 मेन गेट हैं उन पर लोगों ने कब्जा कर लिया है. जब उन्हीं पे कब्जा हो जाएगा तो हमारे कॉलोनी के सज्जन लोग, पारिवारिक लोग, वो कैसे बाहर जाएंगे.
पोस्टर हमने अपनी आपसी सहमति के साथ लगाए. जब हमें 81 परिवारों का सबका समर्थन मिला है इस काम के लिए, तब हमने ये पोस्टर चस्पा करे और प्रत्येक घर पे हमने ये पोस्टर चस्पा किए हैं. ये तो
किसी समिति के पास आप लोग नहीं गए?
नहीं, हम किसी समिति के पास नहीं गए. हम समिति के पास क्यों जाएं जब हमने 81 के 81 परिवारों ने पलायन का ये निर्णय लिया, सब आपसी सहमति से लिया.
The government is cautious and the administration in Moradabad is probing further. They are being careful before branding it exodus.
पूरे प्रकरण की जानकारी हम मुरादाबाद के लोकल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन से करेंगे और इसमें हर संभव उनकी हम मदद करेंगे. क्या होता है कि मीडिया में सनसनीखेज करने के लिए इस तरीके की घटनाओं को लोग अफवाह फैलाने का काम करते हैं. यदि अफवाह हुई तो भी हम कार्रवाई करेंगे.
किसके साथ नहीं रह पाएंगे, किसके साथ रह पाएंगे, जो हमारे नियम कानून है उसी के दायरे में हम लोग बात करेंगे. देखिए, मेरे पास अभी तक कोई भी शिकायत नहीं आई है, इसलिए हम लोग यहाँ आए हैं कि इनकी बात की जाए और जो भी समस्या हो उसका एक जेन्युइन हम लोग निदान करें.
In a secular India, there is no space for religious intolerance. And for those who often use phrases like majoritarian intolerance, the Moradabad story is a case study in hypocrisy. Let's debate.
Shuchi Vishwas of the Congress, Shadab Chaudhary, who's National Secretary of the Peace Party, Raghav Avasthi, and Nupur continues on the debate. Shuchi, tell me, is this not a huge issue? Why is this not a human rights issue? Why is it not a humanity issue?
No, it's not, because
no, why is it when residents are forced to resort to mass migration?
I'm going to explain.
This is not an issue. No, 1 second. 1 minute. Posters are put up by 81 Hindu families saying we have to do mass migration because we are being threatened. You are saying that even the mass exodus of dozens of Hindu families in Moradabad is not an issue. Tell me why this is not an issue. Don't tell me what other issues are. Tell me about this issue.
I hope I'm clear and audible and I can continue.
Yeah. Please.
May I? Yeah. I think it's a political gimmick because the Hindu exodus and migration and all these terms are not new. Narendra Modi led BJP government in center and Yogi led government in Uttar Pradesh. Are they sleeping from last 7 years? And this is the term which we are not listening for the first time. Same thing happened in 2014 elections. Same kind of thing happened at Muzaffarnagar in 2019. So this is something which is just to amplify the agenda, just to make the polarization happen, just to discuss divisive politics in masses only.
Right.
So something which is a planted one. because I personally don't think that this is really going to happen somewhere, especially in India or in Uttar Pradesh. Why?
No. Are you saying, Shuchi, 1 minute. Shuchi, one counter. Are you saying that in your view, all the 81 families who have put up posters putting their houses on sale and talking about Samuhik Palayan are lying?
Can I come in? I think we can only imagine as to what the state of affairs
Yes,
is.
Raghav's counter. Raghav's counter, 1 minute.
This is what BJP, this term BJP used earlier as well. I absolutely respect
the term was used because it was a very accurate description of what's happening.
Living here in UP.
This term was used because it is a very accurate description of what is happening.
But what exactly happening, just to amplify the agenda of the BJP government, it's just a kind of business politics
because of the constant Hinduphobia peddled by certain sections of the media and backed up by certain political parties like the Congress Party. That is the unadulterated truth. You should be ashamed. You should be ashamed for mocking the plight of the Hindu community in this country.
Once I'll finish,
you ought
then
to
you
be
can
ashamed.
absolutely speak.
Whoever it
Once
is,
I'm
you ought
talking,
to
then
be
you should listen
ashamed
to
for
me
mocking the plight of
Are
the
you
Hindu
not aware of the
community.
real issue? What exactly
I'm pretty well aware there are certain countries where things like Holocaust denial is an offense. It's about time this is created. A new offense is created in
I
India.
know the condition of the UP.
I also know the condition of UP. My family is also from Uttar Pradesh.
Of the UP.
So we know what the situation is. And had it not been for Yogi Adityanath and our Hindus would have to leave their homes. Hindus would have to leave their homes if it were not for Yogi Adityanath in power, and we are all
that is
grateful
entirely
for
a
it.
different issue.
We are all grateful for the fact that Shri Yogi Adityanath is in power. Because otherwise people like you would embolden Taliban-like elements in India.
So you are talking about this
because we want people like Yogi Adityanath to remain in power because you guys are worse than the Taliban. You are enablers of organizations like the Taliban and the ISIS that want Hindus to not be able to live inside their homes. This reminds me, this is reminiscent of the Kashmiri Pandit exodus towards the end of the 1980s.
You are not the savior of the Sanatana.
I'm not saying that.
No. Where is the? I am wondering today, Raghav. Where is the secularati tonight? Where is the secularati who are the first to say not in my name on every third issue, real or fake? Why doesn't their heart bleed, Shadab, for the Hindu families who are suffering now? Where is the Ghaziabad fake video gang? Where is Swara Bhaskar, who said, I'm ashamed what happens in the names of our gods on the fake video? Where are the pseudo-journalists who said that he was forced to chant Jai Shri Ram, which was also a lie? Where are the socio-political activists? Where are they now? Where are those who are demanding action then? Where are those people who are outraging every day?
Any questions of Shadab Chauhan?
Yeah, Arnab.
No, okay, Raghav is on with Shadab.
Shadab Chauhan wants to establish Nizam-e-Mustafa in India, where there is Taliban-style justice and ISIS-style justice. That's what he wants.
Allow me to speak. Don't interrupt. You can ask questions. You can ask whatever you want, but allow me to speak.
Why doesn't he
If you are an Indian, then you allow me to speak. Allow me to speak, sir. I know you are intolerant. Allow me to speak. Allow me to speak. Don't shout here.
ISIS or Taliban?
Listen to me. Gaurav,
why
allow
don't
me
you tell
to
us
speak.
whether you want this country
Allow
to be
me
ruled
to
by
speak.
the ISIS or the Taliban? What does it mean when you say that Nizam-e-Mustafa has
Don't
to be
shout like
established
that.
in India?
Allow
Why
me
don't
to
you tell
speak.
us?
Allow me to speak. Gaurav,
Tell
allow me to speak. Allow me to respond. Gaurav, allow me to respond.
That is not Gaurav, that is Raghav Awasthi.
Allowing you from speaking. In any case, tomorrow when there is Nizam-e-Mustafa in India, I don't know whether I'll be beheaded or hanged in public. I don't even know that.
Raghav, allow me to speak. You are continuously speaking. What the hell it is? What the hell it is you are shouting here? Allow me to respond. Allow me to respond.
I'm not shouting. I'm asking you.
Allow me to respond.
Permission to speak.
Allow me to respond.
And
allow me to respond. Allow me to respond. If you are real Indian, if you are not anti-national, then allow me. If you are not anti-national, then allow me to speak.
Because this is what the ISIS and
This is
Taliban did.
not more
You
than
approve
political drama.
of the Hindu
Moradabad
separatist
issue is
separatist
not more than
as
political
compared to
drama,
the others.
and this is more political game. Where is
I
BJP?
think
Where is
serious facts and
BJP?
figures to give.
It's not more than political
Please,
drama.
Arnab.
It's anti-social elements in
Arey,
Moradabad
yaar, you
creating
want
atmosphere
Shariat
of
rule in
Hindutva.
India. What are you talking about?
Yeah, we want
No, you want
Nizam
Shariat
Mustafa
rule
in India.
plan.
We want Ahkam
Yeah,
Ilahi
that's
Nizam
not going to
Mustafa in
happen.
India.
What,
I'm proud to be say
happened?
that.
What happened?
I'm proud to be
and
say
then
that.
this lady,
I'm proud to
and then
be
this
say that.
lady, you may be proud, but you're living in a fool's paradise. And then this lady here on the channel
It doesn't
has the
matter where
audacity
I
to
am.
come
Don't-
here, this Congress supporting person, Arnab, to say that
your hate
to say
politics
that
will
exodus
end
of
today.
Hindus
Shuchi,
is make
Shuchi.
believe. No, is it make believe that Kashmiri Pandits were
Your
cleansed
hate
out of
politics
Jammu
will
Kashmir?
end.
Madam, maybe for you it's make believe, but I'll give you some statistics. In Kairana, let's not
Moradabad
forget
issue
when
is
MP,
not
that time
more
MP,
than political
when
drama
that time
like
MP Mr. Hukum Singh
Kairana and Meerut.
came out with a list of 346 families from Kairana.
These
Do you know that
anti-social
area prior
elements
to
creating
2000? Yeah, इसको चुप
atmosphere
करो.
where they create
अरे जाने को
prove
चुप
that
करो.
Nupur and
मैं
Shuchi.
stand दे रही
such
हूँ.
kind of issue.
Please allow, please Arnab, he's not making any sense. I don't want to do a senseless debate with somebody who's not even prepared. In Kairana, when then Member of Parliament Shri Hukum Singh Ji came out with a list of 346 families, do you know what the statistics were of that area in Kairana? Prior to 2016-17, there were 68% Hindus. And when he came out with that list of exodus of Hindu families, there were only 8% Hindu families left there. And you have the audacity to come here that this entire term of Hindu exodus is make-believe. Do you really live in fool's paradise? Have you not seen how Kashmiri Pandits were cleansed out of their very own home state? Do you not know how Mallapuram is 70%
the irony in this
is Muslim?
Nupur,
Do you not see how Kozhikode is 49%
No, no.
Muslim? Do you not see how Saharanpur, Bijnor,
Just 1 minute, we'll have
all these
Shuchi
areas
respond.
are now majority Muslim? Have you not read the petition pending before the Honorable Supreme Court how most of our bordering
The larger
districts
issue
in the
here is-
country are majority Muslims? What
the
are you
larger
talking
issue
about?
before Shuchi responds to you, Nupur, I want to make a larger point. Where is that Aparna Sen lobby today, viewers, which wrote letters to the Prime Minister saying, we are so anxious about the state our country is in today. Secular fabric of the country is being threatened. Shuchi, when 81 Hindu families have to put up posters saying we are going to do a mass exodus, is the secular structure of the country then threatened or not? Don't run away from this question. Is it being threatened or not? You people, 1 minute, allow me to complete. You people even went to Barack Obama saying India is not a secular country. You went crying there. And by the way, this is not the first time. I am surprised that you are downplaying the matter, Shuchi. Maybe you don't know what happens in UP. Did you not hear about what happened in Meerut in 2019? You say Moradabad is an isolated incident? You have forgotten about Kairana? 250 Hindu families from Kairana in the Shamli district of Western Uttar Pradesh? How is this an isolated incident?
Political drama.
Drama. When Hindu families are forced to leave their homes, it's drama, Shadab, is it?
They are anti-social
That is your definition of
elements.
secularism.
They are anti-social elements who didn't believe in constitution.
I don't think you believe that the Hindus are humans because they don't follow your religion. Do you think so? Do you think that just because Hindus are not Muslims,
Those are
they not
anti-social
human?
elements who
Is
are
that
not
what you are saying?
faith in constitution
Is that
of our
what
India.
you're saying?
Arnab, allow me for a minute only.
Are we not human, so you don't care?
Shuchi is back on the debate, answering Nupur's questions and some of mine. Shuchi, 1.5 minutes on the debate. Shuchi, I think many people are very upset with the casual manner with which you tried to disregard this very serious issue. First, perhaps you ought to issue a formal apology for your attitude on the subject.
Not at all.
And then you can proceed.
I would like to... not at all. Let me finish first. Give me a minute only. Language is the vehicle of the thought. The way you address others, whether it is Nupur Sharma from BJP or somebody else, it shows absolutely the way you respect others. Being a panelist, everybody is equal. So again, I would say to Nupur, if she is just amplifying the same, look at her manners only. Just look at her. If you really have guts and courage to speak, Miss Nupur, listen to me carefully. Don't raise your voice. Improve your argument. Just because you're loud, it means not you're truthful and fair. Just because you're shouting, it doesn't mean that you're
I'm sorry,
argument is
madam.
genuine.
You're the one who's
If you have courage to
shouting.
speak, then learn
Are you
to
saying,
listen
oh,
as
I don't
well.
have courage?
Be a good
Madam, do you have the
listener
courage
first.
to
Have
say
some manners
Kashmiri
first.
Hindus were never cleansed
Show
out of
some
their
dignity and
home
respect
state?
first.
Please
Just
say it.
because you are loud,
Is
just
the
because you
Congress
can speak
saying
anything, it
Kashmiri
doesn't
Pandits
mean-
were never cleansed
No,
out of
this is
Jammu
not at all.
Kashmir, madam?
You should.
Madam,
you
I have
should
a
be
simple
quiet for
question.
60 seconds.
Madam,
I
is your
just
argument,
asking
I'm
for
sorry,
60
I'm not
seconds
here to
only.
hear your
This is the
sermons.
way to speak.
I'm not here to hear
No,
your
this is
sermons.
something
I will
which you
take
receive.
extreme
This is your
offense
manner.
if you sit
You are
here
an
and
upcoming
you make any
politician.
less
No.
of the
Show some
sacrifice
dignity
of
and respect
our
and stay
women,
quiet.
of our
No, you
Kashmiri
tell me
Hindu
why you-
sisters
You
and their
just keep
family
quiet
members.
for 60
You said
seconds
Hindu
only.
exodus
Give me
is a
60
make-believe
seconds
term. You should
don't have
apologize.
ethics, you don't have
You are
manners,
sitting
and you're asking for an
here. You are
apology.
sitting here
You
and
can't
undermining
speak about
the Kashmiri
petrol,
Pandit
diesel price,
cleansing.
right?
Madam,
Madam, you should apologize.
You
Otherwise,
can't
declare
talk
this is the
about
In
Congress
any other
party
country,
stand.
the two of them would be behind
Apologize
one
or
criticizing
declare
it
this is
against
the
a
Congress
particular
party
community.
stand.
It's a testament to India's great secularism.
At the hands of Muslims in Kashmir. Madam, Hindus were never ethnically cleansed. Is that your argument? Is your simple argument that Hindus were never ethnically cleansed out of Jammu Kashmir? Madam, I'm asking you a simple question repeatedly. No, madam, don't issue sermons. I have a single question. Are you arguing that Hindus were never cleansed out of Kashmir? Forget my etiquettes, madam.
Not at all.
You have lost all
courage to reply.
right to argue. I don't have
raise
courage,
your
madam. You have all the
voice.
courage.
Improve your argument.
You have all
If
the
you
courage
can
to say
speak
Hindus
anything
never
about GDP,
suffered.
let's
I mean,
if you can
madam,
speak a few words
madam,
about
applause to
petrol,
you.
diesel price hike,
Madam, applause to you.
Just
Madam,
because
applause
you're
to you.
shouting,
You
continuously
have
shouting.
actually
This is not
undermined
the manner.
and undid
Better
the
you leave the
sacrifice.
debate.
The of
No,
my
it's better
Kashmiri
you leave
Pandit
the debate.
brethren.
You don't have
Madam,
courage
if
to speak
you
up.
will not tell me what to
You
leave,
don't
what not
have
to leave.
content to
I
speak
have a
up.
simple question.
Just because
I don't have. I'm sorry. I'm
don't repeat the
asking a
same and
simple,
same steps all the
substantial
time.
question.
Whatever you're talking
Are
is
you,
just-
And viewers-
are you undermining?
And viewers, I think the situation in Moradabad is one of concern. It is not something that we can dismiss, and it is not something that we can stop reporting on. We'll find out the truth and come back with you on this subject with much more. Before I go tonight, Aditi K from Karnataka says, Arnab sir, I'm so happy you conducted the debate on the first debate today. It's true that these opposition MPs are acting like spoiled brats with free privileges. I'll support the campaign by the Republic Media Network to put fear on these so-called MPs. Thank you, Aditi. Thank you. And Rajvi from Kolkata says, hi Arnab. Hi Rajvi. It is increasingly annoying to see our money go to waste when people who we elect are turning our parliament into a zoo. Since they are not raising the issue, please bring back the campaign for the PMC bank scam victims. It's one of my favorites Republic campaigns. I will. I certainly will. One of our panelists who came on debate number 1 is very much a fighter on that very issue. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are getting some good feedback. I think I will return to the subject of the waste of public money tomorrow. Till tomorrow evening then, good night, ladies and gentlemen, and goodbye.